Chicago with a white mouth. Just lucky when you're looking at it like no sweets, no rush. Got my attraction. Don't think twice, I'm here for a moment. No, I like him better. I got a church place somewhere and I'll make it last forever. I've been giving you the worst of me. Now you wanna stay the night. Pity how you work hard for me. Why forgetting how to talk? Now I don't like no hunger beats. Just go and suss it up. Now it's time to marinate. And right after we're done, I've been giving you the worst of me. Give me a second, let me do I know we can agree. I'm off the leash, go down on your knees. We got PhD, I'm all that you need. Just give me a. I've been giving you the worst.